Your boy, James Wooten Jr. Hey, what another beautiful day, man. I'm out here. We had a little project we started on. We about finished now. But we're going to keep working at it because we don't know how long it's going to last. But we're going to try to see what the product going to be like. But as y'all can see, this is the artwork. That's the logo. That's on my truck. Woo! View landscaping. Hey, we get the job done. So y'all feel free to comment, like, share, and subscribe. And let us know what y'all think. This the other side. It ain't quite done yet. But this is how it's looking. This is my idea coming together. Y'all tell me what y'all think about it. Your boy, James Wooten Jr. Let's get it, man. Another day. Yes, sir.